Good morning, everybody. Welcome to week 3 of our online continuous learning. Just a reminder of my office hours here and my email. I've gotten some really good emails with some really good questions about our assignments so far and have had good participation. So if you know of anybody that's looking for something to do in our class, let them know that these assignments are out there, and seems like they've been pretty painless and people have done a really good job. So again, this week I think we are learning things that might be really valuable outside of class. So we are going to be learning the PMT function and the FV function. So these are just like how we calculated the average, the max, the min. When you're typing in words like that and including numbers to make a calculation. So we are calculating payments and future value. So we're going to start out by calculating what is my payment going to be if I purchase a car at a certain price. So it is going to look like this. So we're starting out with the car purchase. Again, I have these demonstration videos. So kind of some boundaries for the cars. And then a home purchase and a college loan. So again, there's demonstration videos for each of these three. And one part that might be a little bit tricky is we are going to be using something called an if function. So you are going to type in another function over here, and that is going to tell you whether or not you should buy the car. So it's going to say if the loan amount is less than 250, then buy. If the loan amount is more than 250, you're going to type in don't buy. So try your best to get that to work. It's kind of a cool function, and especially not too hard. You could easily tell if the loan amount's 250 or less here and just type in buy or don't buy. But if this list was 250 lines long, you could definitely save yourself a lot of time by calculating that if function. The next one, we are going to be calculating the future value. So this is when you're investing money. So we have 3 different scenarios that 3 different people are investing money over different periods of time and calculating what the money value, the future value, will be in a determined amount of time. So I've got another demonstration video for that as well. The last thing we're going to do this week is just a 6-question quiz just to see how we're doing on some of the basics. So like, how are cells in a spreadsheet numbered? So when I'm talking in my demonstration videos, do I say A10, etc.? Okay, so kind of see 6 different questions here. I think it's pretty painless. See how you do. I think you'd be surprised at how well you do. So that's our to-do list over here on PowerSchool, the video, the function assignment, and then our little assessment. And that is it for this week. Be sure to get those assignments turned in so I can provide you with feedback. And again, everyone's been doing a really great job that I've seen their work. So keep it up, and please email me if you have any questions. Have a great week.